What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making tiger nut pudding. It's easy and it's super delicious. Before we get started, please do want to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up and please do want to check out my lifestyle content. I'll leave a link down in my description box below. So let's get started. I've soaked my tiger nuts and my rice in water overnight. So before you do this, you need to soak your tiger nut and your rice in water overnight. You can use any kind of rice. So after washing them and draining off the water, I'm going to blend my tiger nuts and my rice with a little bit of water. So let me talk a little bit about my lifestyle channel. Actually, this channel is dedicated to learning new recipes and then putting some cooking videos out there. But I also have a lifestyle channel where I do create videos of my daily lifestyle. So if you want to check out, or if you want to see the face behind these videos, then please do want to check out that channel also. I'll link it in my description box. So just tap on my description and then you will see my lifestyle channel, or you can search my lifestyle channel at Life with Shirley. Thank you so much. So after blending everything, I'm just going to use a sieve to drain them. Now the best thing for you to use will be a cheesecloth, but since I don't have, I'm going to improvise with this sieve that I have. So I'm just going ahead to use my spatula to bring everything together, and then from there I'll just use my hand to drain because it's quicker and it's faster. It helps me to get a lot of the milk, if I should say, out of the chaff. So I don't know, do you think the chaff could be used to do something else? Let me know in the comment section, because I was so skeptical throwing the chaff away. I was thinking maybe it could be used for a cookie or something. So let me know in the comment section if you think there's something that I could have done with the chaff that I got out of blending my tiger nut and my rice. So yeah, so because I use a sieve instead of a cheesecloth, I'm sure there were some particles or some chaff that went into my juice. So I'm still gonna drain it one more time to get rid of any chaff that had escaped whilst I was draining with my hand. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then this is the chaff, this is the excess chaff that was in my residue, if I should say. So this is what we have. I'm just going to transfer this into a pan that I can put on fire, and then it will be time to stir. You're going to stir, guys. So if you have any muscle power, you're going to have to use it right now. I'm going to stir and stir and stir because you do not want to stop stirring. If you stop stirring, it's going to become lumpy. That's not what we are looking for. We want it to become thick but rather smooth. So after a decade of stirring, no, I'm just after some time of stirring, my mixture started thickening up, so it was good for me. So I'm just gonna leave it on the stove while it's boiling of salt, and then work on my sugar. So I'm going to caramelize some sugar. This is simply putting sugar in the pan and putting it on heat while stirring continuously. It's going to become caramelized. Anyway, so this is what we have now. Is the sugar or is the caramelized sugar that will turn your Atadwe milk or your tiger nut pudding into that rich brown color. So the amount of sugar that you're going to caramelize will determine how brownish your tiger nut pudding or Atadwe milk will be. So this is what I have. I'm content with it because I do not want to use a lot of sugar. I'm just going to leave it for it to cool down, and after that it's time for me to serve. So I have 3 jars actually, because I think that was all that I could get. So I'm just gonna fill it with some milk. Can use any milk that you like. And voila, guys, our Atadwe milk is ready to be served and enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for your support, for your love, for being there for me throughout each and every video. Thank you guys. Please do want to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up, and please do want to check out my lifestyle channel. Now look at that, look at how creamy this pudding looks, and it was super delicious. I can't even lie to you about this. Please do want to try this recipe and let me know how it went after trying. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.